There. Okay. Okay. So you have smile. We're gonna meet together. Do you have a step stool? That's what Grandma said. I have me and I can. Oh, yeah, we can. You let me in. You want to sit there? I don't know. I'll let you keep going.
Fingers, my hands.
Hi. Now
Well, here we go, folks. Welcome aboard. If I could just get everyone's attention over here. I know I'm probably the shortest, but maybe the loudest on to give us a lovely tour. And Jessica's at the back, just making sure you've all got nice drinks in front of you. And my name's Sarah as well, okay? We can all assist you today. Just so you know, there is a full functioning washroom at the back. There's a sign on the board on how to use that, but if you have any questions, please don't hesitate, okay? For the side, they go up and over your head. Little snaps here. The green Velcro. And then this goes all the way around your waist here. And poof, you're done. You all look fantastic in orange as well, just so you know, okay? On that note, please no man overboard today. It's a ton of paperwork and no fun. So please just stay in your seats, enjoy the ride, and thank you so much for joining us. Cheers. Thank you both.
There's another one
like, look at that house that you got. It looks like glass. Owning that much land?
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Own that much land?
Yeah, well, it's part of the river.
They probably made that whole entire greenhouse gold. One of those in forever. Oh, yummy. It's walking so slowly. It's like, so fancy. Music blasting into your body.
What you making?
Station plane.
A plastic plane?
Hey, there's another child.
It waved at me. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What doesn't like this?
They're huge.
I know the song. I don't know. There's more than one song like that. It's just called Carmen. Sorry, we're not here. Sorry. Are you okay? Like, is there not to come over?
No, it's not today. It's Father's Day.
What was he saying?
No.
What was it? No, what did he ask? No. What did he ask? No.
Friends to come over.
We're turning back now, right? Now we are.
Where's that place?
Is that what okay.
What? You'll settle with us? And then you'll build around it?
No, you were randomly. I'm just moving randomly. Give me another piece. I need another piece. The best piece ever. I want more. What's your favorite?
Pretty cool. I've seen it.
Oh, yeah. It's so big.
You guys saw
My favorite one's the sign.
Asan si ano, Onyx? Happy Father's Day din sa kanya, di ba? Oh, he works today. I work right after this too.
So we're going back to the waterfront now?
We're going back.
We're going back.
Imagine 8 babies.
Yeah, looks screaming porch, eh?
Oh yeah, yeah. That's just screen. It's not glass.
Why does that look
Well, it's probably cold. Yeah, it's glass.
Yeah. It's just the color of it provides privacy as well. No weight.
no way? Brothers, wait. No way.
It's a new subdivision. Maybe that's where they're building a new subdivision behind there. See?
Yeah, that's the hospital area behind it.
Yeah. These houses are close together though, isn't it? Look how close they are.
We need a discount, please.
It's more ducks.
$40 discount. And the thing, Asian dad feeding $40. This thing costs $40. No such thing. Rapunzel?
Oh, that's one that pedal, isn't it?
Yeah. Take a look.
Hello, water.
It's like Venice.
Halo. Why are the houses so nice? I'm like,
Ooh, that one's for sale. That must be a triplex. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd like to do that. I'd like to do that. You're gonna be interested in how the dock was?
Because Ohio's right here.
We're in Ohio.
Because Ohio's right here. Wait, I'm Ohio.
You're Ohio?
Wait, how are we supposed to get off? Are we supposed to swim there now? Ooh.
at that little lifeboat for this one.
Reese, I dare you to keep that.
For that big one.
I dare you to not break that apart when you put it back in the
Plug the steering wheel and like just
42. Ah! What? He has a cape on.
The growler.
The cow has a cape on. And you can